Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
It is autumn now. The leaves are changing colors. Some leaves are red, other leaves are yellow and orange. Mia loves autumn. She is a little girl. Today she goes to the park with her father. The park has many trees. The ground is covered with leaves. Mia runs into the leaves. The leaves make a nice sound. She picks up a big red leaf. "Look, Dad," she says. "This leaf is beautiful." Her father smiles at her. "Yes, it is very pretty," he says. The wind blows gently. More leaves fall from the trees. Mia tries to catch them. She catches a yellow one. The air is cool and fresh. Mia can see her breath. She wears a warm jacket. Her father takes a photo of her. She holds the leaves and smiles. A squirrel runs up a tree. "Look at the squirrel," Mia says. The squirrel is looking for food. It collects nuts for the winter. Mia and her father sit on a bench. They drink hot chocolate. The chocolate is warm and sweet. Birds fly in the sky. Some birds are going south for winter. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. "It is time to go home," says her father. Mia puts the leaves in her pocket. She wants to keep them. They walk home together. Mia holds her father's hand. "I love autumn," she says. "Me too," says her father. It was a beautiful autumn day.
Learn with LingoStories.app.